Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install CapCut on Mac, step by step. CapCut is a free and powerful video editing app. It's widely used for editing videos for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and even long-form videos. This tutorial works on both Intel Macs and Apple Silicon Macs, including M1, M2, M3, and newer. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your Mac. In the address bar, go to CapCut.com. I'll also leave the link in the video description below. Once the website loads, click the download button in the top right corner of the page. CapCut will automatically download the correct version for your Mac, and the download will start right away. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the CapCut downloader file. A new window will appear. Double-click the CapCut icon inside the window and click Open if prompted. The downloader will now automatically download and install CapCut on your Mac. This process may take a few moments. When the installation is finished, close the downloader window and move the downloader file to the trash. CapCut should launch automatically. If it doesn't, open Applications and double-click CapCut to launch it manually. If macOS shows a security message saying the app was downloaded from the internet, just click Open to continue. When CapCut launches for the first time, it may ask for permissions like file access, microphone, or camera access. Make sure to allow these so all features work properly. After that, you'll be asked to log in. You can sign in using your TikTok account, Google account, or email, or skip this step and start editing right away. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed CapCut on your Mac. You're now ready to start editing videos, adding effects, transitions, text, and exporting high-quality content. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.